Clean the pumpkin from the peel and seeds first. Then cut the pieces into cubes. Heat up frying pan and add some oil. Then put the pumpkin pieces onto the entire surface of the pan. Roast the pumpkin around 2-4 minutes on a medium heat. Prepare the sauce. Mix chopped dill with the sour cream. Squeeze the garlic. And pour the paprika with black pepper. When pumpkin is lightly fried, pour the sauce into the pan and mix everything gently. Simmer for a couple more minutes on a medium heat. Then add some water and salt. Cover with a lid and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until it's done. It took only 20 minutes to make this incredibly healthy and tasty dish. Combine it with the chicken, fish or any other meat that you prefer. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal!